effortlessly. Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to today's episode of your Shadowing English Speaking Practice. I'm really happy you're here. My name is Tara, and I absolutely love teaching English and supporting you. So, how was your day today? Did anything make you smile? In the last episode, what did you learn? Did you try speaking aloud? Remember, just listening won't help you improve your speaking. You need to speak, speak, speak. And that's exactly where shadowing comes in. Shadowing helps you copy the intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation of English. It's not about how much you practice, it's about how often. So, if you're only practicing once a week, that's not enough. But even 5 minutes every day makes a huge difference. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to show up. And I promise I'll be here to practice with you. So, let me ask you, why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to speak fluently? Let's remind ourselves of the reason we started this journey. There's always a purpose, a dream, a goal. And when you're clear and focused, that dream becomes real faster than you think. But if it's just a casual thought, it doesn't move us forward. So take a moment. If you're comfortable, share your reason in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if not, that's okay. Just close your eyes and quietly remind yourself, or write it down in your notebook. I'll wait for you. No rush. Awesome. Thank you for doing that. Now tell me, how was your 5-day shadowing English speaking challenge? Was it smooth for you, or did it feel a little difficult? Whatever your experience, it's completely okay. This is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just support and understanding. If you feel comfortable, share your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one, and I promise I'll be here to help you, encourage you, and cheer you on every step of the way. So, you might wonder, why am I not fluent yet? Well, learning takes time. It takes patience, consistency, and care. Progress is happening even if you can't always feel it. One day you'll suddenly realize how far you've come. So, are you ready to begin today? Wonderful. But before we start, promise me you won't give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Promise? Excellent. So, here's how this works. I will say each sentence clearly. You listen first, then repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat again by yourself if you need. Now that you've completed the 5-day challenge, let's take things up just a tiny notch. The sentences will be a little longer and slightly difficult, but don't worry, we will take it step by step together. Follow the subtitles on the screen, look at the highlighted words. These will guide your eyes and ears. This is your safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just progress. Just practice. And before we begin, tell me in the comments, should we do this daily or is that too much for you right now? Let me know. I'm here for you. Awesome. Now, grab a tea or coffee, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Today, we're going to practice 10 longer sentences. Each sentence will be repeated twice. First, just listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. Don't worry about being perfect. You're doing your best, and that's what matters. Let's begin. I believe I can speak English more confidently, even if it takes me time. I believe I can speak English more confidently, even if it takes me time. I may forget some words, but I'm not going to let that stop me. I may forget some words, but I'm not going to let that stop me. I am learning to love my accent and use my voice without fear. I am learning to love my accent and use my voice without fear. I practice a little every day because I know small steps lead to big results. I practice a little every day because I know small steps lead to big results. I remind myself that making mistakes means I am learning something new. I remind myself that making mistakes means I am learning something new. I feel proud of myself for showing up and practicing today. I feel proud of myself for showing up and practicing today. I speak out loud even if I feel nervous because I want to grow. I speak out loud even if I feel nervous because I want to grow. I listen carefully to how the words sound and I try to copy the rhythm. I listen carefully to how the words sound and I try to copy the rhythm. I take notes when I can because I know they'll help me in the future. I take notes when I can because I know they'll help me in the future. I believe that one day I will speak English fluently and share my story. I believe that one day I will speak English fluently and share my story. Incredible! You've completed all 10 sentences. Awesome! I am so proud of you. You showed up, you practiced, and that's what matters the most. So tell me, did you enjoy these longer sentences? Were they a bit difficult? Or just the right challenge? And how was the repetition? Was twice enough, or would you prefer 3 times for practice next time? Let me know in the comments. I always read them, and I truly love hearing from you. Well done for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember, you can do this. I believe in you. I'm here for you every step of the way. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep going. See you soon.